is my life. It's not what it was before. All these feelings I've shared, and these are my dreams that I've never lived before. Somebody shake me, 'cause I must be sleeping. Said before, I think I'm doing okay. This is the smile I've never shown before. Somebody shake me, 'cause I must be sleeping.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back, I want you back. My neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I had, you're all I had. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Oh, I'm feeling like I'm famous, the talk of the town. They say I've gone mad, yeah, I've gone mad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, someone
That I just want you to know, I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. A reason to start over new, and the reason is you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. And the reason is you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. It's something I must live with every day. And all the pain I put you through, I wish that I could take it all away, and be the one who catches all your tears. That's why I need you to hear thanks to you. And so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. A reason to start over new. And the reason is you. I found a reason to show a side of me you didn't know. A reason for all that I do. And the reason is you. Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why. Think you're one of a kind. Here's to you, the one that always pulls us through. Always do what you gotta do. You're one of a kind. Thank God you're mine. You're an angel dressed in armor. You're the fear in every fight. You're my life and my safe harbor, where the sun sets every night. And if my love is blind, I don't wanna see the light. It's your beauty that betrays you. Your smile gives you away. 'Cause you're made of strength and mercy, and my soul is yours to save. I know this much is true. When my world was dark and blue, I know the only one who rescued me was you. Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why. You're never gonna have to cry, because you're one of a kind. Yeah, here's to you, the one that always pulls us through. You always do what you gotta do, baby, because you're one of a kind. When your love pours down on me, I know I'm finally free. So I tell you gratefully, every single beat in my heart is yours to keep. So close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why, babe. You're never gonna have to cry, baby, because you're one of a kind. Yeah, here's to you, you're the one that always pulls us through. You always do what you gotta do, babe, because you're one of a kind. You're the reason why I'm breathing with a little look my way. You're the reason that I'm feeling it's finally safe to stay.
Ribuan keping CD software bajakan produk Microsoft diamankan petugas Kemenkumham dari sejumlah toko di Mall Ambassador, Jakarta Selatan, Jumat 6 April. Razia yang juga rencananya akan dilakukan di setiap wilayah tersebut sempat menjadi tontonan pengunjung mall. Pemilik toko dibuat terkejut dengan adanya kegiatan yang dilakukan secara mendadak tersebut. Meski demikian, para pemilik toko yang kedapatan menjual software bajakan pasrah dan tidak melawan. Barang-barang dagangan mereka didata lalu disita petugas. Dari pantauan di lokasi, para pedagang biasa menjual CD perangkat lunak tersebut seharga Rp50.000 sampai Rp60.000 per keping. Mereka juga menyediakan jasa menginstal. Menurut Kasubdit Penyidikan dan Pengaduan Dirjen Hak Kekayaan Intelektual Kemenkumham, Salmon Pardede, para pemilik toko menjual software bajakan jauh di bawah harga aslinya. Menurut Pardede, para pelaku akan diancam dengan hukuman maksimal 5 tahun penjara. Dari Jakarta Selatan, Denny Zainuddin, Pos Kota TV melaporkan.
PCD ini melanggar pasal 72 ayat 2 Undang-Undang Nomor 19 Tahun 2002 itu tentang hak cipta. Berdasarkan data yang kita dapatkan itu ada peningkatan ya dari tiap tahun, karena kemarin juga dari Polresta itu sekitar berapa ya, lebih dari 20.000 ya, 20.000 keping gitu. Jadi setiap tahun ada peningkatan ya, mungkin sekarang ini ada kemudahan dari pengiriman barang dari Jakarta ini itu langsung kepada pemesannya.